Hello everyone, my name is Karina. Welcome to this video on accommodation. Linköping University does not guarantee accommodation. This means that you have to think about accommodation even before getting admitted. Plan ahead. Here's a quick overview of the process. There are three main landlords for student accommodation. Heimstaden and Studentbostäder in Linköping and Studentbostäder in Norrköping. You register with them online and then you earn queuing points, 1 point per day. It is free of charge. Thus, the more points you have, the higher probability of being able to secure accommodation. So you have not invested anything if you change your mind later on. And then, in mid-July, you will be able to see online all the offers from August 1st and September 1st, and you will be able to indicate your interest. The landlords have a limitation on how many accommodations you can sign up for, so make sure to sign up for several ones. Please note, you cannot rank them. If you receive an offer, you have to accept it or decline the offer. If you decline or do not respond at all, you risk of being cancelled for good and not being able to register for another offer. When accepting the offer, you also comply to the offer indicated in the ad, such as the rent and the move-in date. If the contract starts on August 1st, you pay the rent for the entire month, even if you choose to pick up the keys and move in later on that month. Please note, the same offer can be sent to several students and the one with the longest queuing time will get the room. Looking for accommodation will be one of the most crucial tasks on the way to studying in Sweden. This can break any budget in just a few days. If you do not have a long-term solution upon arrival, think about emergency accommodation. Upon arrival, from Monday to Friday, at Combo, K-O-M-B-O, you can book a bed per night. Share the kitchen and bathroom with up to 15 other students, thus having somewhere to stay while you are looking for a long-term solution. Good luck!